on!
Hi.
This is what we have to do every morning. First, we have to put sunblock on, and then we get to put our aerosol bug spray on. And we do it in the shower so we don't slip and slide all over the place, because the floors are very slippery. What do we not order?
Don't order the burrito.
Why?
Shut up.
I don't know what we're doing today. I'm just getting dressed and packing everything. I feel like I should just bring my suitcase and roll it around with me. Looks like it rained while we were sleeping, or it just hasn't brightened up yet. But yeah, we go have some breakfast and start our day. We'll see what we're gonna do.
Where are we going? So update, we're not canyoning like we thought. We're just taking a boat tour that's 2.5 hours away. And we get to go in another van. About to have breakfast though. There's a highlight of the morning. How you doing, Steve?
Great.
Oh yeah. We packed everything for everything. So I'm gonna do something.
It's a centipede.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at you.
Oh.
There's a guy right here doing yoga. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 up there. Oh my goodness.
You're so excited, aren't you?
You have no idea. Babe, you'll fit in the suitcase.
They're orange.
Yeah, pink. There's something else. And there's more red. Holy smokes. Look in the tree.
We just got to see iguanas in a tree.
Yep.
Like you decorate your tree for Christmas with ornaments.
Or iguanas.
This one was decorated with iguanas.
You're gonna have Adrian's voice in all of your.
That's awesome.
Yeah, of course it's awesome.
We have going on a boat tour. Thought that we were going canyoning, but that's the name of the boat tour place. Little misunderstanding. We don't know what our boat looks like yet. That's half of the surprise. It's a good top of a boat.
Somebody has to choose the other side. Somebody has to choose the other side. Are we sitting side by side or in front?
I would sit behind her.
Alright, you guys are on some wacko here.
Well, I think we're trying to float the boat.
We broke the boat, we haven't even started yet. Get to wear these fashionable life jackets though. Hey!
That's the Black River bird. That's the size of our iguana.
What's going on here? Okay.
What's going on? We have a stick! It's a stick! It is confirmed.
I see you this way. I see you this way. Basilisk?
Yeah.
Don't worry about the fourth one. Those ones are just the base.
I'm just sitting. What are we looking?
Oh, farther down?
Climbing up a tower after sitting for 6 hours. Tails in the water.
Move. That's a pretty large slide, I'd say.
Yep.
Big ol' gator. Don't worry, you won't go far.
Just have to break your leg.
So when we just got done with our boat tour, we rolled up on this place for lunch. We didn't really know where we were going, but it's pretty awesome. We cook everything on this hot stove here. Here's the wood to feed the stove. And I just have like a spread going on.
That was just, you know,
Oh, and it's amazing.
gorging ourselves on.
It's probably the best food I've had since I've been here.
Yeah.
For sure.
Tienes que, digamos, se produce aquí. Ya no he estudiado mucho.
Ya le dije que produce aquí. That's what those things are.
Yo tomo café.
In the store. You got one.
That's right.
Down to those.
I don't know how to use it.
Okay, day 5?
5.
Cinco. Today was crazy day.
Not what we expected.
They canceled
Again.
our hike, and we did a boat tour. No canyoneering, whatever the heck that is. We didn't do that.
That was the name of the company of the boat tour.
Yes, so it was a 3-hour drive to the place for a 2.5-hour boat ride.
And the road we had to take for half of the trip was
Awful.
awful.
Awful. It was just the worst dirt road. It went on forever. It was like 25 kilometers, something like that. You could only do like 25 kilometers an hour. It was pretty bad.
Yeah.
But we saw some cool animals. We saw
A bunch of caiman.
caiman crocodiles, a bunch of iguanas, a sloth.
Monkeys.
We saw monkeys. So like 3 different families of monkeys, including a little baby monkey. And what else did we see?
Not a lot of birds on the bird tour.
No, not a whole lot of birds. There are some birds, but not a whole lot. What else did we see, babe?
I saw a cool, what is it? Oh, centipede. I saw a cool centipede in the road.
That was at the iguana bridge.
Yeah, the iguana
like
bridge
this-
is cool.
This random iguana sanctuary type deal at the bridge, Rickadale Bridge. And there was a restaurant right next door called Los Iguanas. And then you walk on this bridge and there's just iguanas everywhere in the trees. Big iguanas. Like 6-7 foot long iguanas. Big boys. Just hanging out everywhere. But yeah, it was cool.
So then after the boat ride, we came back and had our first lunch, which was sandwiches with lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise,
Cheese.
and American cheese, and some more of that killer pineapple, which was so good.
As Alyssa says, bomb.
Bomb! I didn't have a sandwich, because...
They had tomatoes and mayonnaise on it.
So, then we got back in the van and had to go down the horrible road, and we were told that we were going to get like a real lunch, and it looked like we were going right back to the hotel, so we thought we were going to eat lunch at the hotel again, but we went to, it was kind of like a farm, right?
It was an organic coffee farm.
Yeah.
Cool place.
And probably had the best lunch we've had since, best food that we've had since we've been here. It was really, really good, and the woman that ran it showed us, she made coffee for us with one of the coffee makers that we bought.
The Corados? I'm butchering that word. I'm not even going to try to say it again.
So that was really, really good. And so we kind of had like an early day. What time did we get back?
I got like 5:30.
Yeah, so we walked up to the little corner store up the street from our hotel. We didn't get anything, but it was cool just to look around, take a walk, because we've literally
Sat in our butts
been
for
sitting all
8
day.
hours.
And yeah. Still good luck with the rain. We
It
thought
didn't rain.
we thought we were gonna get a doozy of a rainstorm, but it must have passed us. Tomorrow, we're actually by ourselves tomorrow. We're gonna do the Arenal volcano hike, and then we go to the Baldy Springs, which has like natural hot springs with waterfalls and slides. Yay.
It's like water was.
Yeah, for adults.
At least that's the plan. We'll find that it stays that way. They might change it, who knows?
Yeah. But, yeah. That was our day.
It's nice to have an early day in the middle of the week here because we're kind of tired and just kind of chill, relax.
Steve was having problems today.
Shut up.
Sorry, you were. What are we not ordering?
Burritos. Don't get the burrito.
Yeah. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hit the bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
You're a dork.
I'm the best dork. But yeah. Thanks for watching.
Have a cervezas. Alyssa says she goes for a walk. Now I'm sitting here, finishing up the video and drinking a beer, and she comes running back, and look at this thing she brings back. Ooh. What is that? That's a Costa Rican notebug.
Look at the antennas on
Look
this
at that thing,
thing.
it's serious. It's gonna jump and fly away, and I'm gonna scream like a little girl.
Get up.
Don't get in!
Get up and personal with the thing. Oh. If I touch its back, it gets mad.
Oh, don't get mad.
Should have saw me running with it. Antenna's on it. You probably can't see it in the video. He's got a super colorful back, though. It's Thumper from A Bug's Life. I'm gonna go walk around and see if I can find anything else. Come on, that's pretty cool.
Yep, it's pretty cool.
I was proud of myself, but I got it. I remember him saying that the little hands, they hook on you.
Who's that?
Coyote.
Oh yeah, from Brave Wilderness on YouTube.
Yeah. Ah, Spud's moving, he's coming at me.
Alright, time to let him go.
Okay. There you go. Oh, he's changing his mind. Oh. Oh, he wants to stay. Go on the tree. Hey. And we have a spider going on over there. That thing, you can't.
Look at that.
Definitely can't see them.
Oh, he's eating something, that's why.
What?
He's eating something, that's why.